The beginning of our hiking trip didn't start out as planned. Luckily, it was only a flat, since you won't have much cell reception once reaching the trailhead. The trailhead itself has tons of parking, but usually shuts down during winter since this area can get quite a bit of snow. Not only is this trail used for hiking, but also cross-country skiing throughout winter. The trail you take to the top of Mount Pinos is actually a service road. Due to this, the trail is very clear and wide and also has a ton of shade throughout your entire hike. So when you look at a conifer, there's going to be two types of cones, I guess you could say. The female cone, which everyone knows, and these male cones right here, which are much smaller than the females. Throughout the entirety of this hike, we kept referencing back to how this trail reminds us of something we would find in one of our local national parks, just minus the crowds. Once the forest around us started clearing, we saw a detour that we had to take. Even though this is not the summit, it still provides great views of the valley we had just driven from. Since Mount Pinos is the tallest point in both Kern and Ventura counties, the plant life found here is very different from the areas below. Not only can you tell these differences due to the species of trees, but also in the way these plants grow. Here you can see buckwheat growing in a very mat-like form, which helps these plants survive very cold winters. Luckily for us, this was a very wet winter for California. Due to this, we were able to see all these flowers out blooming and animals working to help pollinate. Once we got back on the trail, it was time to head to the summit, not only to check out the views, but also the condor observation site. Not only is Mount Pinos known as a great stargazing site, it was once seen as the center of the universe to the Chumash Native Americans who once populated these hills. This trail is pet friendly and also has campgrounds nearby for those who want to stay longer. We at Untamed California loved this hike from start to finish, and we recommend that you try it out as well. You won't be disappointed.